It's a man-made element that doesn't exist in nature. It can both produce energy and wipe a city off the map. It's named after a mythological god of hell. It's the story of plutonium. How was this element discovered? How did it travel from Hiroshima to Mars? And can humanity really learn to live with it? Today we introduce you to the most dangerous element of the nuclear age. Atomic number 94. Symbol Plutonium. Plutonium located deep in the periodic table. This heavy metal is almost non-existent in nature. Humans had to produce it directly. By 1940, Glenn Seaborg and his team at the University of California bombarded uranium-238 atoms with neutrons to create a brand new element. And they named it after the most distant planet in the solar system at the time, Pluto in Latin, the element of the god of the underworld. But this discovery was so secretive. Seaborg even used a code to write Plut in his lab notes. The first gram of plutonium-239 was produced at the University of Chicago in 1942. The amount was so small, 1/1,000,000th of a gram. But the effect? It was immeasurable. Plutonium soon became at the heart of military projects. Fat Man, the second atomic bomb developed as part of the Manhattan Project, worked with this element. August 9, 1945, morning hours. Nagasaki, Japan, a bomb fell from the sky and leveled the city in seconds. More than 70,000 people lost their lives in that instant. And at the center of all this destruction was a plutonium nucleus the size of a tennis ball. So how could it be so destructive? The answer, critical mass. When plutonium-239 reaches a certain mass, it starts a chain fission of its own. Inside Fat Man, it was the compression of the high explosives around the core that triggered this fission. The result? A 21-kiloton explosion. Plutonium wasn't just used for warfare. Humanity has tried to live with it. The Perseverance rover sent to Mars runs on the heat from the decay of plutonium-238. Even on cold, dark planets, life can be simulated thanks to this energy. In the 1960s, it was even used in some pacemakers. The energy in plutonium could keep patient hearts working for years. In nuclear reactors, it was mixed with uranium to produce energy. 1 gram of it could release the energy of 20,000 tons of coal. But this miraculous power came at a great price. Plutonium is 500 times more radioactive than uranium. Its half-life is 500 times longer than that of uranium. But this miraculous power came at a great price. Plutonium is 500 times more radioactive than uranium. Its half-life is 24,000 years. That means plutonium formed today will remain lethal for half of human history. 1986 and the Chernobyl disaster. 200 kilograms of plutonium was released into the atmosphere, rendering the region uninhabitable for thousands of years. And here's the scary truth. Inhaling even 1 microgram of plutonium can cause lung cancer. So what will humanity do with this element? Will we destroy it or use it to reach the stars? Scientists are researching the transmutation method to render plutonium harmless. With the help of particle accelerators, they are trying to convert plutonium into less dangerous isotopes. And there is one more hope: fusion energy. If it succeeds, we may no longer need dangerous fuels like plutonium. But until that day, we will have to learn to live with this dark element, plutonium. Mankind's greatest scientific achievement, or its most terrible mistake. This element is both a destructive force and a key to the stars. How we use it is up to us. Perhaps one day, clean energies will replace it. But today we are still in the plutonium age, and this age reflects both our brightest and darkest side. If you enjoy this video, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and share your thoughts in the comments. What do you think the future of plutonium will be? Or is the real danger to those who hold it? See you in the next documentary.